Right, folks, and what we're going to do is we're going to have to see what's on the back of this Kahuna and what's on the back of this as well, plus what's going to fix like the 7009 watch. Let's go to the kitchen view and take a look. Right, and what we have up first, as you know, I've been collecting these VK63s. What do you think of that? Rose gold and like a black carbon fibre velvet finish on the dial. It's got that lovely click when you activate the chronograph. As you can see, the high hand, second hand is going round. And stop it. Snap. Look at that. Instant. And that's the difference between a mechanical chronograph and a quartz chronograph. I've put it on this for the time being. I'm going to be rearranging all the straps around so that I can get this one onto a better strap, but it fits quite nicely on this Kahuna strap. It's a 22mm lug. This is part of the standardised 22mm Seiko Group casing. Yeah, I think it looks quite nice, doesn't it? So let's put this down and we'll go on to the big boy. So staying with the 22mm casing on the lugs. What do you think of that? This is a solar chronograph. Like I say, it's on the same base case as this one. As you can see, there's a slight change. There's a slight difference. I don't know if you can see it. It's on the lugs. You can actually see it's the bezels are the same and everything. Like it's kind of a unified thing. It has a proper stopwatch button. Now this one, it's not a high hand, it's a low hand, and if you watch, right, it's very difficult to see where it is because obviously it's stuck behind the 6 hand. There he goes. As you can see, it's coming up to 20 seconds. This one has got splits. There's the split, and it'll catch yourself up. Press stop, and it rewinds itself like a traditional quartz chronograph. Now you see down at the bottom, on this bottom subdial, there's like an L to F gauge, and you hold the bottom button in. When it gets around to focusing, a stupid thing. Down it goes. Right, that's telling me that that's just under full. I'll do it again in case you missed it. There you go. Now the solar cells in these are a doddle to do. They're just like changing a normal battery, except there's two tags you've got to like arrange to go in. Let's put this on. The strap is one of the handmade ones I've got from Law 389. He hasn't had any more of these come in, but what do you think of that? Yeah. Now this isn't quite as good as it all seems, because unfortunately, like I've noticed this every so often it just seems to stop and go slow. So I think there's something actually wrong with the movement itself. But as this is a very, very recent model, like, I'm going to send this off to Seiko. Let them deal with it. Because it should still be under warranty. It's that new. There's also got, I don't know if you noticed, it's got a double dome crystal. Whereas this one has a beveled edge. Don't know if you can see there's a beveled edge flat crystal. There you go. VR43-X002. And to finish off this triumvirate of stuff, I can get these done. Don't know if you can see that. It's a brand new set of magic fingers, as they're called by Seiko. They're pull levers for a 7009 Seiko movement. They just look beautiful. So I'm going to get those fitted at some point. If I can get, as you can see, like again, the same focus problems back. Excuse me. Right, let's take it to the up view and we'll finish off up there. So, is this a winner chicken dinner? Yes. The only downside on this one, and it's upside down as well, you know, is the date wheel is stuck. Does it bother me enough to take it apart and do it? I'm going to be honest with you, no. I can live with that. That is a really, really watch with a lot of presents. I'm pleased with that. All right. This one needs to be sorted because, like, I mean, look, it's actually come up like 1817, like, and it's like it's dropped 2 minutes, like, you know, in the time that I've, like, you know, got everything in the kitchen back in here, it's dropped 2 minutes. That's not right. It's got full charge, everything should be working, so there's something wrong with the movement side of this. I'm going to pop the battery cover off at some point and have a look, see if, just make sure it's not the battery's just dropped out, but I don't think it is, because the way it's designed is, like, you know, it's quite secure, like, it doesn't just pop out, and I haven't banged it or anything. So there you go. So that's coming off for the time being as a bit of a sick one. Like, I'll probably just send it to Seiko, like, you know, and if I can't get it to start holding time again, right, then I'll just send it to Seiko and get them to sort it out, like, you know. Shame, you know. I mean, the battery itself is absolute doddle. It's just like putting a normal quartz cell. So I think I will, like, you know, I will probably get this one up and running for the time being. Get it all, like, you know, worked up, because I do like wearing it, although I have been wearing that one's a good one, right? So I'm really quite sad about that, but it's not dead. It's not, you know, I mean, you know, I'll send that to Seiko. If they needs a new movement, like, you know. We'll take it from there. So I haven't done the lamp yet. I've got the bracket now for it, right? I haven't done the lamp yet, but I've been busy with other things. I bought one of these. It's called a UL Fancier, like, there it is. It's just because, like, for the price I paid for this, right, it's the same as like a 5-pack of these for the. So you know, I mean, I thought, yeah, okay, like it's an unusual build. It's very difficult to see though, like, you know, but it's what they call a velocity deck. So the coils are on in there, and what it does is that it's got like a ring. I had to make a ring of cotton, right? You know, out of the the 2 bits of cotton that, you know, go up, like, you know, and then like basically this kind of drips onto the cotton, which then feeds through, like, you know, a capillary sort of action into the thing as and when it uses. When it gets to the point where it's like, you know, there's too much juice, the capillary action stops, and it's like, you know, just carries on, like, you know, until, like, you know, you use it, there's space for more juice to get in, it drops down onto the coils, and of course it makes, like, you know. And there you go. That is how that works, and it is bloody nice actually. You know, I'm quite pleased with it. I mean, you know, I don't know if I'm going to get any more of these, but I'm quite happy because obviously you know, I'm still carrying on with the e-cigs, even though I had promised myself I was going to give it all up, but not yet. So here we go. I will leave that. I mean, these coilings, like, they're okay, but they spit their dummies out all the time. Right, this I've got it all closed off and everything, right? And it's just like covered in, like, you know, like a fine patina of e-juice. You don't want that in your pocket. You don't want that all over your hand. You go shake somebody's hand with a slimy, like, e-juice full of you know, they're gonna, like, say, oh, ugh, like, you know, like, so they're not going to be happy with that. So I'm going to leave that with you, like, and as you can see, I'm very, very hot and bothered at the moment. The weather down here is unbelievable. Next video will be the lamp, once I've worked out how to set it up and everything, like, because the bracket I got for it is brilliant, like, you know, it's a very, very heavy lamp to be put onto the pressure with a, like, friction fit, like, bracket, and I want to make sure that it's not going to come off for anything, and like, and then I'll have my lens done, like. So there we go. I'm still waiting for one more VK63, and I do believe I'm up to date with watches. So with that, no further ado, I won't belabour it and all that, you know, and I will see you in the next one. Double thumbs up to everyone.